Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to a cold, gray day at Animal Kingdom. We're on a holiday hunt, but also I got an awesome fast pass. Let's go inside and check it all out. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. Now, when it comes to Christmas at the Disney parks, I would have to say, in my opinion, Animal Kingdom has the weakest offerings for Christmas and the holidays. But they do have this pretty cool Christmas tree. So the cool thing about this particular Christmas tree they have here at Animal Kingdom, I would say the animal masks that they have inside the tree or on the tree as like ornaments. That's the coolest thing, and it's very befitting of Animal Kingdom, of course. And on a personal note, you guys know I love Tigger, so they have a little Tigger Jack-in-the-Box toy at the foot of the tree. Love it. And one of Nikki's favorite Christmas songs is I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas, though she changes the words. She calls it a rickopotamus. In addition to Tigger, they have a lot of the Winnie the Pooh characters around this tree. Eeyore, Piglet, and such. Well, there is some garland as we enter the gates here. Pretty cute. I see some giraffes and things like that on it. Not bad. So if I were to rank this for you guys, obviously I would put Animal Kingdom at number 4 for the holidays. Number 3 would be Epcot. Number 2 and number 1 are really close between the Magic Kingdom and Hollywood Studios. Now the thing is, Hollywood Studios you get for your price of your regular ticket. You get the Tower of Terror Christmas projection show, and you get Jingle Bell, Jingle Bam, all for the price of your ticket. Whereas what they do at Magic Kingdom is really awesome, but it is a separately ticketed event, Mickey's Very Merry Christmas. But it's hard to beat that fireworks show they do there and the Christmas parade. So for that reason, I'm gonna say Hollywood Studios is a close number 2, which makes Magic Kingdom barely number 1. So part of Animal Kingdom's holiday celebrations, right here at the front, you have, I guess these puppets. Can we call them puppets? But you have this big polar bear, you have a little polar bear, you've got the birds, you've got these other little, like, I don't know if this is a fox or what, but these little, I'll call them snow creatures. They have these little snow creatures as part of their holiday celebration here, and the kids do seem to like this. So what they will do is they will rotate those animals. For instance, like right now we had the fox, and we had those polar bears and the birds, but they just went away, and in about 10 minutes, different set of animals. I know like penguins will come out as well, but they will rotate those for your enjoyment. On the way to Pandora, they have a little mural here. These are kind of the animals you'll see up front when they bring out those puppet animals. So we saw the polar bears, we saw the fox, the birds. They have owls, penguins that I mentioned, and looks like some type of deer or elk. But now let's make our way into Pandora for my awesome fast pass. And I'm sure you guys notice I am wearing my hoodie, which means it is a cold weather day here in Orlando. 49 degrees when I got out of my car. I've got the hoodie, but you know what? I'm still wearing shorts. The standby wait for Flight of Passage is 195 minutes, but the craziest thing happened to me today. I woke up this morning and I got a fast pass for Flight of Passage. It's crazy. I don't know what happened, but I got it. As soon as I saw it, click that button, and I'm here right now avoiding a 195-minute wait for one of the best rides Disney has.
Thanks to science, avatars can ride on banshees too. That's why you're linking to an avatar. Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar.
And we did it, guys. Flight of Passage Fast Pass completed. Oh my goodness. Now if you can't get a fast pass, I would say the best thing, get here before the park opens. Get here at rope drop at least like 30 minutes, 45 minutes before the park opens, and then they'll take you like right in to get in line. It usually goes a little faster that way if you can't get that ever elusive fast pass. Now if you can't get a fast pass, you can't get standby, or you're just not here, go check out. I did a POV of this ride. I think like right here should be popping up a little card on your screen. A POV I did of this ride. Go check it out. Very amazing. If you can't get here, the next best thing. And much to my surprise, there is a little bit of Christmas and holiday decorations here in the land of Pandora. Look at that. We got a little Santa hat, a little Santa beard on a little robot guy. That's pretty cool. And they've got like some other little like ornaments and lights strung up around it. So to my surprise, there is a little bit of Christmas and holidays here in Pandora. There are two things of note here at Pangu Pangu. First, I want to point out they do have a menorah here. That's really cool. And you would think since Pandora was settled by humans, people from Earth, they would have Christmas and Hanukkah stuff. But check this out. Check out this nutcracker. It's a Nave nutcracker. So cool. Very awesome find. Well, that was cool. I was not expecting to find Christmas in Pandora. So let's wander around the park. Let's see what else we can find. I've got another cool fast pass or two I want to do as well. One of those fast passes is for Everest. I think I'm just going to let it expire. It might be a little too cold for me to go on Everest. FYI, the ice cream cart is selling hot cocoa today. I saw people lined up. I'm like, why are they getting ice cream today? But it's probably the hot cocoa for $3.50. Not gonna lie, I'm a little tempted to get the hot cocoa. I'm sure by the end of the day, I'll be getting some hot cocoa. Festival of the Lion King, Disney's highest rated in-park show. I'm skipping it though. Though I am pretty sure I've actually done the full show. I think I did a video on this. It's so crazy. I've done so many videos now, it's hard to keep track. But if I did do a video of this, I'll put a link to it right here. And there is a little bit of Christmas garland here in Africa. There's even a little like African Santa Claus on this garland. Pretty cool, I like it. The stage is decorated too, and I assume this is some holiday music. Well, this is awesome. This is pretty cool. They have a wreath here made out of a bicycle tire. That's awesome. But hold the phone, an even cooler wreath. This one features like a giraffe and it's made out of all like bottle caps. A bottle cap wreath. Oh my goodness. Also around here in Africa, they have several of these cool little Christmas trees just like made out of different things. Like this one looks like some type of wheels. There's even a boat propeller on this one. Okay, so you guys know how I'm trying not to eat meat during the week. Look at what they're doing here. I've never had this as a snack. They're grilling up some corn on the cob. I might have to try this. And there it is for $5.29, my corn on the cob, grilled, dipped in butter with curry salt. Wow, that was really good. Let me explain where this place is for you guys. In Africa, right before you get to the Kilimanjaro safaris, this little snack hut is where you can get that corn on the cob, and it is part of the Disney dining plan. It counts as a snack on that Disney dining plan, but it is so, so delicious. Good thing I'm going with a more plant-based diet, otherwise I may have never tried that. Well, it's official. I missed my FastPass time for Everest, but if I really want to do it, I'm sure single rider wouldn't be that long today. We're about to head out of Africa, but I want to show you one last of these tire wreaths. I just love this. It's so cool. This is weird. I went on the My Disney Experience app. I canceled my other two fast passes, started looking for some other things, and I was able to get the Nave River Adventure as a fast pass. You know, I didn't think that was possible because I had a fast pass for a Flight of Passage. I don't know how that worked out, but regardless, we're going back to Pandora for the Nave River ride. And this makes no sense to me. I don't think I should have been able to get a fast pass for the Nave River ride. I don't understand how this is happening. I guess I shouldn't question it. I should just go, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't get too excited until I try to scan in. Here's something I've never seen before. Look back here. We have a little, it's Hidden Pumbaa. You've heard Hidden Mickeys? Now we have a Hidden Pumbaa. I've never seen this before. Moment of truth. Let's see if I can scan in. And I'm in. And I have found out a little more information on the fast passes, but we'll talk about that after the ride. I'll stay down here. The Nave River ride, Disney's prettiest boat ride, but not their best. What's their best? Well, I don't know yet, but I will do a Rick's Top 6 to find out. Well, we've been to Pandora, we've been to Africa. I say it's time to go to Asia. I almost forgot, I wanted to explain that FastPass situation for you. Now, when you book your first 3 initial FastPasses, there's no way you'd be able to book Flight of Passage and the Nave River ride together. But once you use your 3 FastPasses or they expire, which is what happened to me, you can then start booking FastPasses one by one, and that's what I did. My 3 were used or expired, and then I booked the Nave River adventure. FYI, it has warmed up. It is now a balmy 53 degrees. I know some of the area water parks are closed today, but if you're so inclined, the Calais River Rapids is open if you wanted to go on a water ride. But you do not get super wet on this ride anyway, so it'd be okay if you went on this on a cold day. And for some reason, there's a telephone right here. I have never noticed this. I'm assuming this is for like official use and like not for me just to pick up and start calling people. The Everest roller coaster, a 45-minute standby. The line for single rider is pretty backed up, longer than what I usually see it. Now I'm sad because this is one of the rides I did have a FastPass for, and I missed my time and then I ended up just canceling it, so now I'm sad. Well guys, all in all, not a bad day at a theme park. A pretty good one in fact. I was able to ride both Pandora rides in the same day. That's pretty amazing. I've never done that before, and honestly, I never thought I would be able to do that. And then I had a good time walking around looking at the Christmas decorations. Some were really, really cool. Now, it wasn't enough for me to change my rankings. As far as the 4 Disney parks, I would still rank Animal Kingdom lowest as far as the holidays are concerned, but it was a good time nonetheless. And as always guys, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rick's Flix, and now it's time to relax.